today, I think I'm going to be able to get the floor down, or at least make a good start on it. I've finished the painting pretty much. You can probably see I haven't gone all the way down to the bottom of the wall. That's because I'm going to have a 100mm skirting board all the way around. The flooring I've got is 10mm and the underlay is 5mm, so I'm already going to be gaining 15mm there. So then once I've got another 100mm on top of that all the way around, you won't be able to see this plaster work and where I've not painted. I'll need to prep this floor now. I need to sweep it all out, get rid of all the, I've got all this bits like this, like from the plaster. That's just kind of dropped off the bottom. So I need to get rid of all that because I don't want to put my underlay on top of that. I want to make it as smooth as possible. So yeah, I need to start sweeping. Oh, it's getting a bit warm now. That heat has only been on for, I don't know, 15 minutes. I need to take this jumper off. It's kicking up a lot of dust. Now basically I'll just get this hoover and try and hoover up the fine dust that I wasn't able to brush. So now I need to sort out areas like this. This is just where I've spilt some paint and it's just raised up too far. It's a couple of mil that. And then over here as well, we've got some areas where the plaster was spilled and it's obviously solidified, so I'll need to chip that up as well. So this is the underlay I've got. I'm not really an expert on laminate flooring at all, so this is all just best guess. I did look at quite a few YouTube videos and all that kind of stuff, and I asked the guys in the shop. So this is, I can't remember, I think it's called Phoenix Oak, and it's 10mm thick, and then we've got some, how thick is this stuff? I think this is 5mm thick underlay. So now that the floor's ready, I've got all the main kind of rough bits up. This should kind of smooth out any of those imperfections, ready for the laminate floor. This is where I get to see how square I've made the room. So obviously you can see that's folded, so that's going to move that way one more piece. But I've just measured and this gap here is 20 centimetres. So I'm just going to use a straight edge. Need a really sharp knife for this stuff. So once I've cut this, I'm going to try and keep it as neat as possible because I'll need it for the front edge maybe. And now if we unfold this again. Lovely jubbly. Well, every single video that I've watched about laying floors says that because there can be slight coloured variances between even the same product but just different packs, that you use alternating panels from different packs, because what you don't want to do is have kind of like one long strip, one colour, and then another long strip of a different colour. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So let's make a start. So let's get a packer there. Right, that is my first one. And I'll take one from a different pack now. My pack is ready. I'm probably going to get sick and tired of moving this slat just so I can kneel on it. Oh shit. I just gouged a hole out of the underlay. Never mind. Now, how lucky am I going to be? Oof, not very. Okay, so I need to take a measurement now and cut this. I chopped off 90 from this end because obviously I want the tongue to go in the groove. So let's see if I've got this. Perfect. Now I just need to get the packers in, get it up against the wall. I've cut this one at this end because that's going to go there, because I still need this to get the next one in. Okay, well, that was painless enough. Okay, well, this is 3 full boxes of the laminate flooring. However, I did do something wrong. Basically, what you're supposed to do is bring the flooring into the room and leave it here for 48 hours before you lay it. That way the wood will acclimatise to this room. Wood expands and contracts. So really, I should have had the boxes stored in here. Now, how many have I got? I've got another 12 boxes out there to do the rest of this room. So hopefully, as I've laid this, it's going to be okay. Fingers crossed. I'm going to go and get the other boxes, put them in here, and then I'll be back in a couple of days. So I'll see you then.